and he's talking to you throughout the day, and he haven't arranged a dinner date, lunch date, breakfast date to take you anywhere, block him. Block that man and spare yourself. Because when you don't block him and you allow him to wear you down, he's going to treat you mediocre because you are. You allowed it.
What the hell?
Don't come on my page and say, hey, Kim, how can I get this man to spend on me and make me feel special? Baby girl, if he didn't make you feel special before you get the cookie, do you think he's going to make you feel special after you've gotten the cookie?
Tifa, what if I beat
just come to your house, lay up and stay.
Tifa, what if I beat we can give you? But make China talk.
Come China talk.
China.
You know, I would have agreed with Kim if she did not put a time frame on it. However, because she said 7 days, I have to say I don't agree with her, because you cannot say a man who you just met have to ask me out within 7 days, or else
You cannot do that.
No, you can't say that. But then again, you have to ask, what was the conversation like? I mean, what kind of conversation were you guys having in that 7 days? Was he talking about having sex with you? Was he talking about, I mean, what was he talking to you about? It depends on what.
China, he was saying good day, good morning, beautiful.
No, that's not all he was saying. If you notice, she brought up the whole idea of sex. If you notice, she brought up the whole idea of sex.
No, but
if she
China,
had said
most of these men nowadays, within the first or the second day, they want to send one penis picture.
No, don't use that.
Tifa,
all she's simply, simply saying is, if the man is really into China,
the only
if the man is really into China, he's gonna want to see you again. That he's busy, I'm living in another country, I'm living in another state or a city.
We don't even
he's gonna
reach
make the effort. If it's even for say, boy babes, I can't reach you, but let me send some flowers to your office. Talk truth. If that man really likes you.
The reason why I have the attitude is because I'm going through something similar to this.
So on Valentine's Day, woman can get flowers?
No.
7 days you just meet the girl.
You can't say 7 days. 7 days is somebody having
If you really have that connection there with the person.
No, one second.
Any connection in 7 days is
one at a time.
You're gonna make an effort to see her do something sweet for her.
Tifa, you're trying to win the conversation.
You're telling me within 7 days you meet a girl, you're gonna send her flowers like God know? You think I move with this?
What do you mean?
Within 7 days?
I just say on a Valentine's Day. So on a Valentine's Day we can get flowers?
Okay, hold on it. You're telling me you meet a girl. Hi, how are you? You know, Ray, I will communicate on the phone. You're gonna send her flowers?
So what happened to that?
Okay. I know the princess treating like, I understand that, but
so around you getting flowers.
Bro, Tifa's on another level. Tifa's on
I realize it, and I realize that it's a
princess. Have nothing for doing that, and that courtship come out of this whole thing. People don't court people anymore. We start text.
But no,
but
I hear your cry. I hear your cry because again, I'm going through something similar. Hence the reason why I asked to be added, because someone who's interested in me was, we're texting, we're talking, but it hasn't been 7 weeks. We've been talking for like 2 months now, and I just I said to him, you keep inviting me to your mattress, to your bed, like you're not inviting me out to dinner.
Thank you.
No, Tifa, don't do it. It's a different conversation.
A different conversation. That I idiot man that. An idiot man that. I would agree that.
No, but that's a different thing. That's a different conversation.
You can't. The lady said 7 days. In 7 days, that's unrealistic. That's unpractical. She's living in a warp in the time zone.
No, she's a serial dater. She's the type of woman that goes around and go on dates with different men.
No, I wouldn't say that. I would say she's the type of woman knows she's a little confused about how she should get what she wants, but she kind of have an idea of what she wants, but she don't know how to get it. But she thinks within 7 days she can get it. No, you can't get it.
No, I'm not gonna lie to you. If I just meet you, China.
Not you, the lady that was talking.
But if me just meet a man.
What 7 days flowers?
We really into him, like we hit it off, and we had this amazing connection. And we've been, you meet the people that are not talk non-stop. It's like we can't get enough of each other. I'm gonna want to see you again. If it's even take a walk, down the beach, if it's even go running, if it's even go grab a taco, I'm gonna want to see you again.
It's just like a
so what you can suggest?
Yeah, that's like a regular me. When she said dinner dates, I mean, you're dressing up in a pretty frock like pretty woman like Julia Roberts,
It don't matter. You said dinner, lunch, and breakfast.
It's 3
days. That can be morning, noon, and night.
It's 3.
she didn't articulate herself in the best way.
Tifa, I understand you want
to
win the point, but here I go on, Tifa. You know when she knocked me out? After she said the 7 days and the food part.
Days.
You know when she knocked me out, when she gonna say, oh, if he don't do that, then you're gonna allow him to wear you out.
Tear you down. Like you down.
We don't even reach that. We don't even reach nowhere yet.
Yeah,
I think what she means is after that.
Is presumptuous.
No, I think what she means is after that, if them continue at it, them just want text every day. And
you need to get her before after what she mean.
And the conversation is about sex. Then clearly him only want one thing. If he's not trying to
talk about sex, sex ain't in the conversation yet.
That's you know listen to the whole like Birch. She did talk about sex.
Yeah, she was saying that the guy is gonna wear. She never said anything about the guy I asked the woman.
No, she didn't say that. Yeah,
she said say that. If the man just said good morning, babes, beautiful, and how is your day? That's it. That's the only conversation.
No, she said, I talk to you through the day. And she said,
yes, talk
to you down.
But she never said nothing bad. She said, talk to you through the day.
Man, that man.
What you talking about?
I understand what she's saying. Maybe she never articulates in the right way. But I completely understand what she's saying.
You say a mad woman. You say a mad woman.
Yeah. I would classify her as a little crazy because if I had a son, some girl wants him to do all these things in 7 days, I would say run.
No, but honestly, China, honestly, this is the world that we're living in right now, and this is the reason why. And not every woman. Let me put that out there right now, because you have beautiful, independent woman out there who don't depend on a man, don't depend on nobody to do whatever, this and that. Nowadays, the girls them what we know right now, most of them a look the easy way out. Them a look the easy way out where them just know say, yo, a man want to talk to me. Them a got the first thing them a ask. You have money? Nothing else. So basically, you now look into yourself and I say, oh, you ask me if I have money. You rub me wrong right there because you now show me say I like you like me. You understand? You just a if me and something I can give you, which is money.
And no, I completely agree with you. Yeah, I completely agree with you. But then guess what? Each one is ready for ask a pum pum do.
No, but
so
hold on. But that's different. That's different so because guess what? Watch this now. If me, hold on, Tifa don't want nobody talking now. Hold on, Birch, China. If me meet you right now, I mean ask you.
Fight Tifa.
I said, you know, big man thing still in no China. You know, say, me always talk to you and them thing. I just feel like say, yo, me you have to start do it. You know, you know. What's your response?
Do what?
Like have sex.
Oh, yeah, exactly. I want to know what you're talking about when you say do a relationship, do sex. Well, no, that's not what I'm looking for. That's not what I'm looking for right now.
Easy as that. So you're saying that, oh, so when a man meet a woman and he want pum pum, okay, it's easy for us to want it. And we can ask a woman if we're straight up or whatever. And then this is the answer we might get, and we might get a different answer. But watch this again. A lot of women will make you work for it. So if you really want it, you gotta work for it. You understand? So it's a difference in a Tifa. Because you say, yo, so when you meet a woman, the first thing you want a vagina. Okay, all right, you're attractive. If you're attractive, shit is on my mind. But as we go, we could be having conversations.
Suppose you look like a bum.
Hold on, Tifa. Because I know this reach you, China, reach any other woman upon the life. Our first response when we see you sometime is because of the way you look and you're sexy. Yes, we are pre-sex, but conversation, just like what Birch said, we dip on the phone and me hear all your talk. What if you is a girl where different from the girl who I've been with before, the reasoning where me and you have within 6-5 days, you're like, damn, fuck, the girl you really have her head on her body. Me, no. Me, I have to stop thinking about just sex with you now, you know.
Yeah,
you have to think about the treat you a certain way now, you know. So it still come back round to conversation. You understand?
You know, sometimes this conversation we confuse mongrel dog with pedigree men, you know. because you have some man that say, okay, let me pre the girl and hear what she go on.
Yeah.
All right. Because sometimes you can't just drain the balls from some waste girl, you know. Sometimes you have to say, yo, you know, say the girl and none of I can't get a girl and none of my time. Then now, all gentlemen out there, listen this. Be careful of these serial daters girl. They go around and date 10 different men for them food. Them want lunch, them know who to call. Them want dinner, them know who to call. That girl on the video is a serial dater. That's what she just go around and just date different men.
True.
For food and drink.
And on that note, Tifa, enough girl with me know personally will tell me straight. Them no want nobody. Them just go up on date with man for
Go up on date.
Right. So in some, well, you know what? I think like in a perfect world, we all will know what each other want because we will voice our opinion. I think what needs to happen a lot, like you said, is conversation. We need to just know, like when you meet somebody, like you said, some girls don't want a relationship. Some girls don't want to get married, and it's okay because you know what you want and that's what you're after. So it's to me, and then it comes to when a man comes now and he met a lot of girls who maybe don't want a relationship, who just want to have sex, and just want to be casual. Then he meet a real one who wants to settle down, who want a relationship that he don't know how to act in it. So it all comes back to having a conversation with your partner. Like,
conversation, that's a communication.
Yeah, listen, this is what I'm looking for. Is that what you're looking for? Okay, then we're on the same page and move ahead. Because another incident happened to me locally was because I'm here in Jamaica in the country area. There's a young lady here visiting from the UK, and she has a boyfriend here, and they've been arguing and fussing and fighting a lot. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna talk to this young lady and have a conversation with her because maybe someone didn't tell her how we're supposed to be when you're in a relationship with a guy. Because certain things you're not supposed to do. You know, after a certain age. I mean, she's a young girl. Well, if you as parents, I think parents have a lot of responsibility to their kids. I don't have kids, but parents have a lot of responsibility to their kids, not just for their upbringing, but also to teach them how to be in a relationship. A lot of us don't know how to be in a relationship. A lot of us don't know how to express ourselves like, this is what I want. This is what I want from my partner. This is what I expect. And that's when the problem arises because we don't know how to have these conversations with our partners. So we can go up and that. And then now we ourselves become this negative force to deal with, and we become miserable, frustrated, angry, and become like that girl, type crazy. Like you could put time frames on things, but you got to be realistic. 7 days, come on now. God,
7 days. Imagine. Just imagine.
I really like you, I'm gonna want to see
just imagine you meet a girl, you guys conversating, and all of us should have said, you know, say, a 7 days guy, you should have take me out.
Yeah.
Just imagine. That is so weird. You be like, what? And then we'll say,
one
okay.
thing, ladies,
so, and then what I would be like,
ladies,
okay.
I'm gonna tell their secret. One thing, a man is gonna tell you what he wants. Don't let him play games with you. Again, there's certain levels to relationship for men. Certain men are gonna give certain women certain things, and you're gonna see him with that woman and be like, why he can't treat me like this? Or why, if I'm dating him, why he can't treat me like that? Because that's not it's not your space and not your place. There's certain men, when it comes to certain women, they'll bend over backwards for, but they're not gonna do it for you. And you're not supposed to get upset. You just find that man that's gonna do it for you.
And then and then at the same time, you have different men. You see, the man that come on earlier is the original, fully yamed.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Don't
say that, Birch. I don't agree with that. Because
my thought is like,
no, personally, Birch, if I like you, I'm gonna want to see you. Me, I want to see you. If we hit it off where we have that
you're missing the point, Tifa.
Strong
you're missing
connection,
the point.
I'm gonna want to see you.
No, but we never say we don't want to see you.
We're not saying
we never say we don't want to see you, but you have to with time
No,
frame.
but I can understand if you're a busy person. I can understand if you live in a different country.
Once
I can
your
understand
man
if you
don't
live in a
like
different
it,
state.
so once you put that time on it, you let him know. Even if you got the time.
I mean, I think 7 days unrealistic, but I'm not putting a time on it.
Yes,
I'm
girl,
not
putting
a time on it.
But Tifa, your girl tell you say
you want control.
Yeah, control. Man don't like control. So even if you put a time frame on it, keep it in your head. Don't let him know. You know.
No, I won't be like, it's 7 days. You're supposed to carry me on a date. No, me I gotta just act accordingly within myself.
Oh yeah, according to
but
the
I
communication
don't completely disagree with her. You understand where I'm coming from?
Yeah, I don't disagree with it, but
I don't disagree with her. So she articulated.
But we've been saying that, Tifa. We said me never tell her say what she say is wrong.
No, I say you're not agreeing with
No, Birch. What I've been saying, me not say what the woman I say is wrong.
It's just
There's 7 days. You can't decide. How you gonna decide my relationship destiny within 7 days?
I don't even know when I'm going to Dream Weekend now. You know, I can't decide that in 7 days. Like, how
yeah. Oh, you gonna tell me? Well,
I don't know what you're
all right. So Tifa, so you're telling me if I don't ask China upon a date within 7 days, after that 7 days there, me I go wear her out. Just like what the woman
How
said.
you gonna wear?
We are
That means so she mean like
yes,
if you continue because you have one thing on your mind. As I said, I don't think she articulates it properly. She was speaking in the context of sex.
That's the next thing I do again. How she know say I want thing the man have upon in mind because he never asks her upon a date within the 7 days, Tifa. That's what
maybe she never articulates it properly because the video had to be 1 minute. So she condensed it.
No. She messed up from the front of the video.
Yeah. She condensed it. She
messed up from the front of the video. And I mean, want to say something earlier to Birch when Tifa said, I want thing upon our mind, whatever. Females, stop putting certain shit on Instagram and think when we come in your DM or look you, we're not gonna look crutches. You post it. You post this sex. You know that sex.
Suppose it's my job. Suppose I'm a Victoria's Secret model.
No. Regular girl. We are post a panty and one bag of thing every day and on a beach at the pan. I expect that we are going to come in your DM and we are going to look you and not think about vagina. We are going to think about vagina.
This is a girl job.
What?
All me living in one big leather suit pan the bed.
Tifa, I would just tell you, say, we're not talking about models and artists and them things. We're talking about random.
Okay.
Random.
Tifa.
I stand corrected.
Tifa, I'm gonna ask you. There's a question came up in the message. How a woman 7 years? How a woman wear down a woman within 7 days?
Never said, I don't think she meant within the 7 days. Bert, I think she mean after that if he's still pursuing you and he's not making an effort to take you out or to do something special with you, then clearly he wants one thing.
Tifa thinks that she's not gonna win now, but she's not win today.
No, it's not even. No, Tifa, you're deflecting. Tifa, you're deflecting.
I'm not deflecting. I've been saying the same thing from
no,
the
Tifa, no. She meant what she said. Tifa, she meant what she said, Tifa. You can't put
after that, when you come and say, yo, him lay up and stay up in my house or whatever, she means if him not make an effort within them 7 days there,
Gina said
she
can be naked and you still can't approach her in front.
And I ask the sex and I whatever, tell him where you down and then you come and a ball to her.
Yo, you know, somebody do weird this thing so many times. I have to really wonder if some man really cause them something, you know, because you have some mongrel man that get up and say, one want some pussy, you know.
They do. And they do.
Yeah, you have some man, no, Tifa, Noah, and people out here. You have some real clown man out there, brother. Who just sit down and say, yo. I saw when she's speaking, at them man that she talk about, you know. Honestly,
as a woman, we can tell you this.
Sometimes some man really mess it up.
It's about approach. When I talk you and Noah, clearly you have sense and you know what you want and you know how to step to a girl. And then you can analyze situations. Some of them man you don't have no approach.
Because if you look at it, you get up every day. I baby, I on you just meet the girl. Where you going and buy baby, I only beautiful and them something. You know reach us yet.
Thank you.
Make the thing build on my youth.
Exactly. Then them start sending dick pic them and them start asking the pum pum picture them.
I mean, I got to say, Jesus Christ, me can't bother.
But it happens. It happens. Me get them in my DM daily.
You're right.
I get them in my DM daily. Me not ask for them. Yes.
So me I thought now, you have to understand, you know, this thing. You have some weak man out in the dog.
Wait till some of them Arab man are sending her somebody late.
No, but the truth, you get them in the DM. Someone that have no approach.
Let me turn around on this camera. I apologize, folks.
Turn it
I
on.
didn't realize
Turn
my
it
camera
around
wasn't
and push
on.
it back in and whoa.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Good evening.
All right.
Hello.
Let's hear what you've
Hello.
been here. How you
Good
doing? How is
evening.
your day? How is your day,
Oh, that help,
beautiful?
Don't I tell you if you don't call me that in public? Birch, don't I tell you don't call me that in public? They don't know the background story.
How you doing? How you doing? What you know? How you doing, beautiful? How your day been?
How you day doing, darling, my queen? Like some clown, man.
Shelly, don't fall.
You know. No, it's all right. It's all right. I understand. I understand that them do for trick people. They put on the distance, some for trick people all the time. But you see, because me all,
Yeah.
I realize
No,
when we hit
problem.
when we hit a certain age in life, then something don't work again. Go and go try it for the young people them. Just don't bother waste your time. Me all. Me have great hair and so all about for my body. Me all. Then something don't work for me
No,
again.
we no problem, you know. What go on?
So do you agree with what the female said? Did you hear what she said?
No, I didn't hear what she said, but just based on what you're saying, based on the conversation,
Yeah.
it sounds to me like you have a problem with the timeline. And my thing is, we have to set standards. And I like when women set standards because for a very long time we have allowed you guys to do what you want to do and set the pace of the relationship and decide when we get married or if we get married and all them something there.
Can I play the clip first? Because
I would like you to play the clip. Go ahead.
I don't want you to be here and misunderstand what we are talking about. So it's best you hear because I don't know if you think we are talking about the timeline of getting something. You understand? So
go ahead.
Listen, this is it.
My good sisters, listen to me and listen to me properly. If a man have been talking to you for the past 7 days, and every morning he get up and he say, "Good morning, beautiful. Have a good day today." And he's talking to you throughout the day, and he haven't arranged a dinner date, lunch date, breakfast date to take you anywhere, block him. Block that man and spare yourself. Because when you don't block him and you allow him to wear you down, he's going to treat you mediocre because you are. You allowed it. Yes, you did. And don't come on my page and say, "Hey, Kim, how can I get this man to spend on me and make me feel special?" Baby girl, if he didn't make you feel special before you get the cookie, do you think he's going to make you feel special after you've gotten the cookie? He's going to just come to your house, lay up, and stay up. That's it. He's telling you.
Yeah. So you heard.
So what she said? The guy's gonna come at her house and lay up?
Lay up and stay up. Oh, me reach your
all right, so
yeah, now take it
no, that I've heard the clip. Not I've heard the clip. The clip went from one extreme to another real quick.
Yeah.
That's the first thing. The second thing, I agree that do not take it very literal, but let me work with what she said, because all I have to work with is what she said. Her point about this man talk to her and he might say hi to her and he's keeping it really casual. And what I get from her point is, if he doesn't make a move, it means he's not interested. Move on. That's what I got. Me not have no problem with that. That is called a standard. That is called, don't waste my time. Exactly. Because understand something when me learn about man. Me tell you say me all. Let me tell you when me learn at my old age. You see, if a man interested in you, you not have to wonder and think and pray. He not gonna just call you and say, "Hey, beautiful," he might try get in. He might gonna try work, he might try do something. Exactly. So he not gonna sit down there with you on the phone all day and talk about the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees when he really try get in. A man who's interested in you is very clear about his intentions. Sometimes he don't come straight out and say it, but he might try. He might try, he might find out if you're available. He might find out if Wagwan. He wants to know when he can take you out, when we went to see each other again. All of them something there. So if him sit down on your phone for 7 days and don't say nothing, he's not interested. Exactly. Moving right along.
He probably just wants one thing from you, which is scratches.
He probably just look for your little let him up in your house to come lay up and stay up.
Thank you.
So you're telling me, me meet a girl. And
yes.
you're so you're telling me, I meet this girl, we're talking, and this girl program me to tell her when I can take her out?
No, Chris, no. Program. No, Chris. Chris, with all due respect, Birch, we know each other. Don't tell me foolishness. If you into a girl and you like her, and you have her number, and you talk to her every day. You not gonna tell her in the 7 days when she not gonna know say you interested in her in the whole conversation that we have here.
Me not have to tell her. Me not have to tell her within 7 days. I can't tell her after 7 days. I can't tell her on the first. No. You see? All right, hear this. Hear this. Look, I'm going to look. Listen to this. Me meet this girl today. I'm going to say, let's go tomorrow. So what she said, you know, it's too quick. It's too early. She can't do that to me.
That's a different circumstance, Birch. You don't like one another.
No, I'm just saying, there's no time. You cannot, okay.
Yes,
right.
Birch, but Birch.
No, well, no. Tifa. You can't say the next day, I can say 8 days or 9 days or 10 days after. It's up to me to decide when I want to take out this girl, because it's me I pursue her. A woman can't come tell me 7 days. Within 7 days, I'm not take her out.
Sure, Birch.
So support me a Muslim and a Ramadan.
You're taking it too lit. Then if a Ramadan, then that.
We are logical beings. We think about logic.
You can't
if
see
it's
me
a
till
7 days or 7 days, you think about.
No, I don't understand.
Shelly.
I don't understand what that debate about.
Hold
on.
My point is, Shelly, if that man really, we'll talk on the phone, and that man really like me, and me really like him, you're gonna make an effort. You're gonna make an effort for do something nice.
Yeah,
but
so
Shelly, so Shelly, so me call you every day for 7 days, just to have conversation, to get to know you. You're telling me that's not interest I'm showing right there?
Of course, that's interest.
All right, watch this
but
now.
Understand.
Shelly.
No, but understand. But hold on. No, here's the problem when we're always having a damn conversation here. Is that you don't always take it out of reality.
No,
realistically speaking, since you just can't, I would like to finish.
Shelly, she said,
I would like to finish. You just ask me some question. You just ask me some things. When I say to you now is, you meet a young lady and you think she's awesome. She have great conversation. You and I up on the phone and chat and play somewhere. Say you hang up now, you hang up now, me hang up, you hang up. When I do that 3 nights straight, you gonna tell me, say, in none of that conversation where you have, you're not gonna try to see her?
Thank you.
No. We never. You see, Shelly.
You see what me talk?
Shelly. You miss everything, because me and Birch never said we don't want to see you. The whole point of this is the 7 days. Why me have to see you within the 7 days?
But this is what I said from the beginning. Is the timeline you have a problem with?
Yes, we've been said
That's what she said.
So why you go like say me never understand? Is the timeline I beat you because you feel say she enough to give you a timeline? Well, guess what? In a fair mind, she have 7 days to spend with you. And if at the end of that 7 days she don't know where you do, moving on. Next, I'm not have no problem with that.
Yo, no.
Thank you.
No woman
So
can't
me
tell me
this big millionaire. Me are this big millionaire and you broke like
no woman can't tell me that.
First of all, nobody know why you feel money, sir. Move on next. Enough people are taking money from people and not all kind of problem. We ain't chasing that. Moving on right along. By your money alone, you're very unprepared. You need to prepare yourself a little better. Read some book or some blog or something.
Me are this big US. Me are this big US millionaire. I see this girl, I like our conversation. And me I say, Jesus God. Hey, me watch and see how the girl you go flex and you just move on in a 1 week. I'm going to ask you for that date.
No, but hold on. Let me clear up something.
Bring it to money because you know woman love money.
Even if him can't make it in the 7 days, right? Let's say I'm busy. Let's say Noah travel on the weekends. Him busy, him can't, whatever, right? He might make an effort to see you. He might
make a plan. I have to tell him my business.
I can't see you right now. I really want to see
you. I don't have to tell him my business.
But me free up. You're going to make some time for we do
this. Of course.
I'm going to say this.
Of course.
As I said, there are different type of men. You have a man who say, okay, me meet you today, okay. I'm Mr. Shelly, you know what? Let's have lunch next week. It's going to be after the 7 days. They have men like that.
That's a plan, Chris. That's a plan.
No, listen.
That's what we are saying. Yeah, make a plan.
That's what I tell you.
That's a plan.
Nothing wrong with that, Birch, because you make the effort.
No. I'm
She's
saying,
talking about men that are not making the effort to see you.
No. First of all, I'm taking charge. And I just say, okay, I'm initiate the connection. And I say, okay, I like this girl. And I'm approaching this girl. We talk on the phone and I say, listen, Shelly, you know what? I think we can finish this conversation over lunch, you know. Let's have a lunch date 10 days after. Because I have some things to do. It's me testing the time.
Nothing wrong with that. That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
So let's go back to the original.
Nothing wrong with that.
No, let's go back to what Noah played on the phone. She said, you meet this guy up on the phone. Hi, darling, I beautiful good night every day. First of all, a clown man that. Top man will do them something. May I tell her that? Yeah, I made that. So that's me thing. So she feel like she weird on this man not make no move. That's different. That's how I said they're different type of men. You can generalize. A man that take control and say, okay, you know what, we're gonna make this time and set the time and you just turn up.
But Birch, that is still planning within the 7 days. That's what woman
No,
did.
it's not 7 days, I said 10 days. I said 10
yeah, but that
days.
is but you still make the plan within the first 7 days.
No, that is her point.
Point.
That is her entire point.
Because you make an effort and you
make a plan.
No, but
yeah.
Plan within the 7 days. So baby, we can't see right now.
No,
but 10 days later, we can do this. So that I show effort.
No, you see it?
Yeah.
No. That's not what the vice note saying. She said,
that is what she said. Which voice note did I listen to?
That is what she mean. If you not make an effort.
No.
If you not make an effort, if after the 7 days you don't know what this man up to.
The woman said,
if after the 7 days of talking,
this man not ask for your lunch, or dinner, or breakfast within the 7 days. You can't tell me nothing. Whole heap of woman that's how you miss out on the future husband and you don't even know. Because you just jump to conclusion and think, come remember, you know, Shelly, you have woman out the road, you know, we meet man, you know. And this man can be the kindest man in the world. This man that will give him last. And you will meet him. And the first day you will meet him, the next day you tell him say you rent to and pay. And him look for you and we like, really? Someone just meet the girl like, oh, she tell me about her rent so quick. And me tell you no. What you do? You're done with me because you say me mean.
No, let me first apologize for your past experience.
No.
But in a real life, what go on right now,
Shelly, that's reality. That's reality.
Me not dispute that, but that's what I say. I am sorry for your past experiences. What I'm saying is, I've met men.
Good try, Shelly. Good try.
I've met men.
Good try, Shelly.
Let me show you the flip side of that. And maybe Tifa can talk to them about this.
Good try.
Look here. I've met men
2020
who said to me, say, him don't know what to do with me because I'm not ask him for nothing. So, every day I'm seeing my ear do and my nails do and my car take care of and all of that, and him don't know what to do with me because obviously me have a next man I take care of me because I don't ask him for nothing. So I said to him, so sir, you don't know nobody who have a job.
No,
you never date a woman with a job.
Shelly, you cannot tell me about my past experience if you're just talking about you. If you're like that, well, I know, Shelly. If
no. I gave you a specific experience that I had for a reason.
Shelly, can you listen what I'm saying right now? It's no past experience, Shelly. You only could talk for yourself. If you're a female that don't care about asking a man for nothing, thank you very much. That's you, Shelly. But the world that we're living in right now, a girl not care for ask her for a Louis, a Chanel.
No, but then who told you that? Who told you that is lie you're telling?
No, but
you say lie you tell.
Correct me.
Just like us asking for the Louis and Chanel.
It's the truth. Me I tell you, a lot of girls by the life, them are gonna put up their hand. Yes, Shelly.
Tifa.
Yes, Shelly.
You must fight you.
I'm not afraid to ask them. Where's if we're not spending the money? So I give and take.
Exactly. Worse if them buy them commit them pay for you go do your ear one time, them want to sweat it out.
But you always contradict yourself. So what?
How? Am I contradict myself?
Me made money and make it bad for top man, you know.
What may I say? Somebody said no, I should not talk about this. People who not listen. I said whatever Shelly said just now, she's talking about herself. We never say nothing wrong or say Shelly I say nothing wrong. But me I tell Shelly say, the world where we live in right now, them girl, yeah, them are tear you from the first.
I don't know why you feel the need to tell me that.
No,
I don't live
you,
in a bubble.
Some people on the line.
No, we are just having a conversation.
Them not hear what we have said. Them not hear what we have said.
No, nobody never say a lie. I tell
No,
sir.
not Shelly, me not talk
disagree with you.
I think you can't see the comments them.
Of course, may I read the comments.
All right. So anyway, what me I say now? So when me I say now, Shelly, you won't go can talk for
China.
yourself. So you're telling me now. So if me meet a girl, me like the conversation, me like everything within 2-3 days we are talk. See it? And she tear me within the 4th day. Cause remember you talk about date now, you know. You say if a man now try to take you out, we go out on a date within the 7 days. So me could flip it. Me could flip it now, Birch. Hold on now. Make an effort. So the 4th day within the 7 days now. You say me need to make an effort. So what if me plan for the make the effort the 5th day, but the 4th day made up on the phone and you just start telling me the whole of your problem them and start telling me say your rent for pay and your this for pay and that for pay. How me as a man for take that then? Tell me.
Bless up.
No,
May I ask the two
Okay,
people?
so you keep on using this example.
No,
Let me keep it real.
no,
Let me keep it real.
listen,
Let me keep it real.
listen. Just keep it real, Shelly.
No,
Let's
never
talk
keep
about-
it real, you know. Let me
Yes.
keep it real. If you
Yes.
feel like it's a using thing, then you black her. You bounce. You bounce. Because if you feel like you're
Moving on
if
next.
you feel like it's a using thing, I should do this because whatever. That's the whole point. You're trying to get to know somebody. Say you black she then.
Birch,
You bounce.
Birch,
Yeah.
Birch, watch this
Yeah.
now. That's why
Yes.
you said that. You said I must block her if me think is a using thing. It's not, but it's not think. I don't think it's a using thing. It is a using thing. Because you know me from nowhere and you tell me the whole of your problem within 4 days. So hold on.
That is fine. End of conversation.
So that sign is right in front of me. Right? Tell me where is the sign that I am not a good man and me not interested in you and want you if me never ask you for your date within the 7 days?
I make an effort to say I cannot see
Show me
you
the sign. Show me the
No.
sign.
Well, okay. All right. Well, can I just say something really quickly? The first thing is, I don't know why you're trying to use this thing as a universal standard. The lady made a comment that applied to her. She said, if after 7 days she don't know what keep, moving on next.
No.
That is a standard that she set.
She never said
You can set your own standard.
Shelly. No, she never applied.
No, Shelly, what?
No, she said females. Females.
said
No, but that is correct thoughts on. All right, so hold on. So because she said females now, when she said all of we just go automatically do coming on the brain to herself, she set a standard, and that is the standard that applies to her. You are free to set your own standard. You can't say 3 days, you know. You can't say, look here, if after 3 days I don't get no from me, then you know, what will stop you from do that?
Well, I think we're trying to jump to one thing just to prove. Listen, we have to stick to what the tape said.
Yes.
We have to keep focus. We can't keep all over the place.
Yeah.
And I said this, as I said to you, you have different type of men. You have mongrel, you have pedigree. You have a man that take charge and say, listen. And a girl will know and understand, say, this man here, I don't know, boy business. Even if I'm on the phone at time, say, babe, first of all, the man now get up every day. Hi, beautiful, good morning. Top man not do that something there. And a woman will understand that. No, Tifa, don't get me wrong. You see it? You see your face? Ready to take me on. I want to fight, you see.
What do you mean top man and do them something? If the man into
You
the
see,
girl,
no, every morning you get up. Hi, beautiful. No, we don't do that something there.
Why?
I know say go, just do that.
But you know,
When we get a hello, good morning, every morning when we wake up, so you know what keep on your side.
No, but you're with a
top
man.
man. And top
You're a
man
man
really
that-
every morning get up and tell me, say,
No,
good morning,
Tifa,
sweetie.
Tifa,
Good morning,
you get
beautiful.
me
What
wrong.
do you mean?
You guys in the relationship now, that's different.
No, even before the relationship.
That is how it started.
That's what it started.
No. And I said, no.
So, Birch, you're saying
It's process. It's a
We are
process.
disagreeing with.
No, hold on there.
That's
First
what
of
you're
all,
saying?
we don't even go on a date yet. You see
But
me
that
talk?
but that
Well,
means
Birch,
hold on,
boy, tell us if I agree with you, you know.
from the fact that I'm
No,
beautiful.
That is how it starts,
Birch.
Birch.
Because
Birch,
we're
you
going on a
tell
date.
me,
Birch, boy,
Make
you're
it
talk
telling
to
me,
you about the part.
every
You know me
man you
agree
get
with you.
up, all right, before you
This
guys
is just
go
like you
before
saying
the
bad
7
man
days.
don't
Hold
cry.
on, you know.
And everybody
Before the
cry.
7
Birch,
days.
you have to
Hold
talk
on,
to
you know.
yourself for no wonder, brother.
Thank you.
Before 7 days, right? Before the 7 days, you get up every morning.
Yeah.
You guys don't go on a date yet.
Yes, Birch, because
And you
Yes,
get-
Birch.
Birch, come here.
No,
Birch,
no.
well, on the man, listen, me most of them woman and them have them man, and them man nah communicate. Them man
You know,
don't
see,
tell
right?
them say them
Them like to
beautiful.
hear,
Them man not
them
tell
like
them
when man
nothing.
lie to them, I true.
Yeah.
See?
Somebody in
Yeah.
the
Like
comments
man
say,
No,
Look
I
here.
about
Look
lie.
here.
I don't lie, Birch.
That's
Listen
when we
to
went at a
Birch.
supermarket here before it closed. It was a lot of fun. But
All right,
Birch,
you have to
call her and tell her morning beautiful. You'll get her
No,
here.
Birch.
And the first day
Birch
that
is a
day, we
turn
have
on.
it
It's a
nice.
turn on.
I
It's
true.
a
Call
turn
her
on.
and tell
Girl
her
love that.
morning beautiful.
All
It
right.
was fun, guys.
Bye. Yo,
All right,
Birch.
Shelly. Later.
It's a turn on to the woman them more time because sometimes them not nobody we are chat
Them
to.
like
And I
fear
tell
the life
them
for real.
something. Yeah,
I true.
sometimes I have to tell them about them edges. Oh my
We
God, your
tell her.
All right,
edges.
you are.
Your
All the ladies,
edges.
okay, hear this. All the ladies on the live, you're all beautiful, and Birch, you love you all. Just remember that. Okay? You
Yo,
ladies.
When
a
them
woman
meet
say
somebody, you see
the
them.
Birch is a
The
top
first thing you see is
producer,
them
not a
physical.
top man.
The first thing you see is them physical. Whether them face pretty or them breast big or them body big or them front fat.
Who,
That's
the
the
man?
first thing you
Birch,
see.
you know what the problem is? I think that me and you and with China, we're up on the same page. Tifa, I think Tifa is over here talking for the girl. So we need to find the girl so the girl can. Because right now, Shelly go loo. Shelly say, the woman
Shelly not
talk
gonna
about.
loo. Yeah, that's
Well,
what
no,
Shelly
Shelly say, she talk for herself. Obviously, Shelly not listening right. Because she said females. So she give advice.
You know what?
Women power, yes.
No,
She give advice.
Here.
I agree with the woman. I don't believe she articulated herself well, but I understand what she's saying. Any man who wants a woman, I'm gonna make an effort with a 2 day, 3 day,
Yeah,
3
but
months.
Tifa, my thing is like you keep on and say any man will want a woman, whatever. Tifa, come on, you cannot
No, I
say
understand what you're
Tifa,
saying within the
so
7
Tifa,
days.
look about woman. All right, me see woman when me
no,
want
never
already.
dispute you, know, I understand what you say within the 7 days. But
Tifa.
within that 7 days, if you not make an effort to say, boy, babes, I would,
Tifa.
if I even next week, I
Tifa,
could do something now.
Tifa, I see girl that me want already and me have a conversation with her one time and I don't want to chat to her again.
It's a process.
Okay, then
It's a
you
process.
move on and me move on and you don't waste my time. But some men do waste women's time. Some men talk to the woman and say, boy, she's a
But what about you?
But no,
Women
but
waste
Tifa,
men time
too.
Yeah, some women waste man time too.
So Tifa want to the girl with intention.
What
happened to the girl with them intention? Tifa, want to the woman with them intention, but just go on a date for them out my money.
Me not disagree with you know. You have some
all right, so
people out
don't
there.
say man love waste woman time. Woman waste man time to move your blood clean and go Tifa. You never come to style with.
Nothing not wrong. I never disagree with you, but what I'm saying is, usually, most times, probably 7 times out of the 10 times, when I have a aim.
Selector Princess, what's up? What do you mean? Which everybody have
a
aim.
What aim?
Tifa, you have
Everybody
a aim. Tifa, if you
of course you have a aim.
Tifa, you every woman have a aim to. Not sorry, my bad. Enough woman out there have a aim to. Cause if you hear say a Birch this and him have this piece of gungo piece here, as much as how you like him and thing, your aim is to tear a thing where you can get.
Some women, not all.
I just said some.
Yes,
I said enough woman.
But then no, I'm not disagree with you. We agree, say, okay, the 7 days, what I'm saying.
Don't say, every man have a aim. Talk and say, everybody have a aim.
Everybody have a aim.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's all in the game. That's how the process is. Yeah. That's simple as that, you know. We're not fighting. No, listen. Man, you take your own man, you know. Nothing wrong with that. If you know say a girl, you do your thing. and represent. You know, a woman come in with the thing, come in with her vibes, because there's a goal. Man not just talk to a woman just to just, okay, you're nice. There must something the man want. Of course. We all know we're big people, you understand this.
Straight.
Yeah, we not go around.
Yeah.
Me see this girl, me like the girl, yeah. And if me know me can represent her and make sure she feel good, she go feel good. As simple as that. We not going on top.
Give thanks. Okay, no problem. The woman point and my point is, if you not make an effort within the 7 days to see me, and you're still up on the phone with me, I talk about sex, then clearly that's what you want.
No. Stop that, Tifa, man. Stop that. You keep on, you try to get people by your side by putting in that.
But
You
no, but that's what I'm
about. Go ahead.
Don't use sex tonight.
You feel go ahead.
No, that's what the woman means.
Don't use sex tonight. Don't bring sex.
I'm going to find a video.
Whether within the 7
Don't bring
days
sex. Don't bring sex tonight. Don't bring sex tonight.
Don't bring the sex tonight.
But that's what you talked about sex in it for all them weird down. I want to lay up in your house. That's what the woman means.
House.
And that shit, but listen back to the voice notes.
Sorry,
that's what
I
she
tell you. So we attempt say the man go to fear house.
Some of them girls are like that.
So you tell me say the man go to fear house?
And people lonely like that, you don't know, you never know, Birch. If within the 7 days, you now make an effort to see me or do something with me,
but
and you want them on the phone and send body picture come, and you want to talk about sex, and you ask, that means that you're having an intention.
Listen,
you're blocked.
No, that's what I tell you. That somebody say the man that me I talk about I am.
And that's what I'm saying to you. That's what the woman means. She does not articulate herself well. Because you notice it went from one extreme to the next. But it's a minute video. She have to cram everything in a minute video.
Are your friend? Love me.
I don't know this woman from Adam.
You know this what you want to say, your friend.
I know this woman from Adam. I follow this woman from TikTok and I like to watch her video. I don't know this woman from nowhere.
A mad woman. She's a mad woman.
She's not a mad woman.
She's not. She's the local in the cocoa. She's not 100.
Tifa.
Yes?
Big man thing. You see the way you talk right now, I just want to tell you this.
Oh, I have a fucking scream. Look coming on. Why am I feel so fucking depressed? I'm depressed.
We're depressed.
Raz, I have not the dream husband yet. When I meet him, remember I love change number every 3 months, you know. When I meet him yet.
Tifa, I hate you. I swear I hate you. I care that hate you one more time.
I go black Raz, I'm going to change the number. You tell me 8, 9, and 10, you're dirty now.
I'm depressed. Tifa, I'm depressed.
That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Ladies, if you don't make an effort to see you, you not have to necessarily see you within the 7 days, but even if you make the effort and say, boy, I'm busy, I'm going to live out of state, I'm going to live out of town, I'm going to live out of the country, but let's get together sometime, let's do something special without sex, then clearly sex is what I'm up on the mind. If you push sex from inception, from I send the penis picture them, from I ask for the, and that's all it's about. But when I want.
But the girl never said anything. But the girl never said anything about that.
Yes, she did. She did, Birch. She did.
Tifa, me and Birch, so we say already. And at this point, I tell you.
I don't business if your father want vex. I don't business if your mama want vex. And I don't business if your auntie want vex. Because me first blood clot sex.
Ladies, come on, them up on the life, but agree with me. Effort is key. Effort is everything. If you come,
let me talk to the
sex, and you now make an effort to carry me out, you now make an effort to do something nice.
Hear this.
You're blocked.
Let me talk.
All about the effort. Them don't say you're ragamuffin already, Birch.
Let me talk to the man them. Yo, hear the badness. See? Yo, hear the badness. All the man them out there. Don't make them see your date and them out your money.
I wish girl is an echo. So, where you hide your face for? What go on? Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we are here now. Why you hide your face? If you don't want to talk, you can come in and go on this thing and I'll cut off nobody, you know. Hello?
I'm in my car. I don't know if you can hear me.
Yeah, we can hear you. You are here, we?
Yeah, we can't see you.
Yeah, I can hear you.
So we are saying now, talk to me.
Yes, I was saying I agree with Tifa because the lady was saying it don't have to do nothing with sex. This is what I'm understanding. It has nothing to do with sex. But if you're not making an effort to spend time with me or just want to have phone conversations, please go.
Within 7 days, you want me to spend time with you?
Yeah, for see me.
What do you mean? 7 days we've been talking on the phone. You've been telling me good morning, beautiful, this, that,
Birch,
that.
them girl are desperate.
Me tell you, know.
What's the conversation for?
It not have nothing desperate. No,
that's bullshit. Yo.
All right, so you're desperate when you want my
Birch, low it, yeah, man.
So you're desperate when you want my crutches in 7 days.
Low it, Birch, low it.
So you're desperate when you want my crutches in 7 days then.
No, but you don't know what the conversation is about, Tifa.
Yeah, but we like each other.
Let's just say no sex was involved. No sex was
lady,
involved.
you're telling me. So you're going to meet somebody I know have no conversation. God no. I guess you go with it.
She never said that. She never said
where
that.
the relationship is going to go within a matter of
So you
hours.
know where a relationship is going to go in 7 days?
Yes. In a matter,
What?
In a matter of hours, depending on the conversation. You said out of your mouth, Noah, you meet a girl and you had a conversation with her and then that was it. You don't like her. You said that, right?
Okay. So, all
all
right, and I stand on what I said. So what I know. So you're telling me within the 7 days, me and you can't depend on the phone and get to know each other without me seeing you?
How could you know somebody if we don't spend time?
Nah, that's bullshit. That's bullshit.
No, you're gonna make an effort. If you really like me,
you're
gonna want to see me.
with that.
If you really like me, you're gonna want to see me.
Exactly, Tifa.
If you really, if we up on the phone, till 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, every day, you're gonna be like, babe, oh my God, let's go for a walk. Let's go grab something to eat. If you really like me, I don't want to see me.
You want me to spend time with you within 7 days?
Yes, you don't want to see me.
For
if
what?
I eat a walk, no, if it's a hamburger.
7 days. We have conversation in the 7 days, and you're not gonna bring up, boy, our conversation been nice. I really want to see you. You're not gonna say that within the 7 days.
Okay, all right. But what if that past the 7 years? What if that past the 7 years?
What happened? Sorry.
What if that past the 7 days when I said, you know, honestly, I like our conversation. I feel like I want to see you. We should meet up and whatever. Why? What?
Let's say when
somebody said
7 days,
that's why I know a single.
It's the effort.
What you know about my life? You don't know shit about me.
Yes, but Noah, if you're busy,
don't
if
talk
you're busy, if you're busy, you really like her, you're going to say to her, boy, babes, I'm busy right now, you know.
Yo, Noah,
but I'd love to see you next week.
Noah,
man, make time for what them want to make time for. Full stop.
I just desperate to man talk, saying, I swear to God.
You're desperate.
Only desperate to
man. I saw no one, man.
Desperate for my friend.
I saw no one, man.
I saw no one, man. Friend, where you want to see that 2D
You don't make time to eat, right?
What if you have a girl?
If you need a shit, you don't make time to go shit, right? If you hungry,
no, but that's my personal. You're not my personal problem. You're not my personal problem. What are you saying?
But no, if you like me, but no, if you like me, you're gonna make efforts.
That's not every woman's standard. That's her standard. But I do understand what she's
Winifred, if you want to know if I'm single, you could just ask me. Don't write it. And that's the problem with Instagram. Because you see me right here, you hear in a conversation, you're saying, that's why I know a single. How the fuck you know if I'm single, marriage or disengaged or whatever? You don't know. I don't even know if you have a man or if you're in a relationship. I'm not going to tell you don't got somebody. Why are you telling me that I'm single? Because of what we're talking about? Because I'm telling a girl that I don't have to see you within 7 days? That's why I'm single?
I don't think the 7 days should matter. I feel like 30 days maybe, but within that 7 days, if we're talking on the phone in 7 days, I'm sure a conversation gonna come up saying,
You
boy,
know what?
I like the
It's
conversation.
easy for somebody to pretend in 7 days. Sometimes a girl just
Thank you,
pretend.
Bob. Yo,
Yeah,
Birch,
you can
you know
pretend.
me
You
want
can
to say that.
pretend for 20 years. You can pretend for 20
Yeah,
years.
and
Yo, you
You
know,
can
say
pretend
that's
for
why
20
some of the
years.
woman out the road, man, a sex, una no call no back. Because una make man go on a charm, una make man tell no lies.
yes,
No, not always.
You understand?
Don't
Una make man
Yes,
tell her,
some.
hey,
yeah,
you know,
man.
me's a man, me tell girl that, you know, straight up, you know. Me say, yo, I'd rather keep it real with you because the end of the day, if you want me to lie to get some pum pum from you, me can lie. Remember, you know, we are man. Me can
But
put on
you
a
know what?
charm on a
You
girl
know what?
and tell her
You know
anything
what?
she want here. Me can, all right,
You
hold
know
on.
what? Hear this. Noah, hear this. The weirdest thing this somebody just said something in the chat. And I just realized women nowadays just giving us everything. Because
Yes, she can make time to
well
get
on
to
you know.
know people. True.
Well on you know. No, just a minute.
That's the whole
It's
part of
so
dating.
easy. No,
Getting to know
wait
each
a
other.
minute. Wait a minute. You ladies now is just giving it so easy. Can just say, okay. But because before the courting was more than 7 days, it was like even 20 days before even going on a date. It was like that. Nowadays, women just, let's go. We have to go on a date now.
Birch, pause.
I know this nice restaurant.
Birch,
I want to
pause.
go.
Yeah.
I want to go
But
to
indeed, if
Brad.
we say,
I want to go
Miss
to
Rosie,
Charles.
if I even say, Miss Rosie, meet me under the mango tree. I pick 2 mango for you.
Exactly.
From you really like her, you're going to make an
Exactly.
effort to see her.
Tifa,
Stop it.
Tifa,
But
want your neck. Tifa,
Tifa,
want your
if
neck.
me really like you, all right, Tifa,
Stop it.
if me really like you, let's be
You know, say, me know,
realistic
say, my
then.
apple tree up
Let's
here.
be, all
You
right,
know,
let's
one
be
come for 2
real
apples.
right now. Let's be real right now, Tifa.
You know, say,
If I really like you,
I
Tifa.
and me have extra Irish spring.
No, but
You know what,
Tifa,
me bring 2 Irish spring come give you.
Tifa, let's be
Exactly.
realistic right now. So,
Exactly.
Tifa, let me ask you a question. What if, you said if me really like you, what if me not really like you, me just want some vagina from you? And,
Keep it moving.
hold on. And I'm gonna act like me like you, do whatever you're saying a man's supposed to do within 7 days. What if me just put
No,
the
yeah,
front
take
there
the 7
on?
days too
Well,
realistic.
No,
We're not taking
no,
7 days too
but
literal.
Tifa,
7 days
Tifa,
too
that's the
literal.
point. Tifa, that's the point where we are get to right now. You rushing me to take you on a date within 7
No,
days.
rushing,
Because you give me a time schedule. So
No,
what
I'm
if
not rushing you. I'm just simply saying, even if I don't see you in the 7 days, you're going to make an effort, even if it's just to mention it. I'm talking about the effort. Me not say you have to carry me out in a 7 days. Your life busy, my life busy.
You know what the problem is, Birch? I feel like Tifa I try to add on to where the woman said. We are talking about.
Yes, you are.
You're taking everything what she's saying.
Yeah, overdone.
The people that will just come on the live. Tifa, you're not going to make me and Birch look stupid right now. You and the woman with the on the live, I don't know her name. You're not going to make me look fool. The woman said. The woman said.
All I'm saying is,
if you talk to a man on the phone for 7 days and him not ask you out on a lunch date, a dinner date, and this a date, block
within
him.
7 days.
Because
within 7 days.
Within 7 days, block him.
And
so you're telling me.
I never disagree that she said that. From inception, I said,
Tifa.
I don't think she articulated herself well.
Everything
but I understand
Tifa.
where she's coming
Tifa.
from. My
Tifa,
thing
have
is,
2 daughters and 1 son.
my thing is,
right now, Tifa.
days,
me not teach my daughter them something.
You're supposed to put out some effort.
Me know why my daughter them see them something. Nobody can talk about we are talking literal. There's no literal in what the woman say. Females,
sometimes
if you're talking to a man.
No, we're not read between that. We listen what them say.
And I said, maybe she didn't articulate herself.
Maybe.
That's not
Maybe.
the problem. And I agreed with certain points from you, Noah, and you, Birch. My point of view is she had the right idea. She just never articulated properly. Again, if me and you attack and we really
Tifa,
like
that's
each
what
other,
the female
wait,
said.
no, I make me talk. If me and you attack and we really, let's just be honest. We meet some people and the connection is just whoa. And you want to talk to the person every day. And you want, like, every chance when you get on the phone. At some point, whether I see you in real life or you make an effort to see me within those 7 days and say, boy, babes, I'm busy now, you know, shh. If you really, really like the person, boy, babes, I'm busy now, you know, but I'd really love to see you next week. Or as me say, boy, babes, it not necessarily have to be a fancy restaurant. Boy, babes, can we go for a walk? Can we do... If it not get to that point there, and all you're telling me about is sex, then me gonna block you. Cause that's you want.
But you see that again, Tifa,
Can I say something?
You know what?
The woman mentioned sex.
Hold
The
on.
woman mentioned sex.
I think we should dead this conversation. Dead it. We're not going to talk about it anymore. Tifa, we need to done the conversation here. You see, if you are going to keep up this, we have to done the conversation. Stop adding on. Stop. No. It's not fair. This is not fair because you're making me and Birch look like we're stupid. Hold on. Tifa. Because the woman never said nothing about sex. And
but she did. She said, don't let them wear you down.
That's what
she said,
don't
let them wear you down. And she did talk about sex. She did.
Hold on and play it again.
But
she
how
did
did
talk
she
about
get to
sex.
Oh, she get to sex. She said the man in your bed and live.
And
You just said after 7 days.
Articulate herself well. But if you're
okay,
if you listen,
talk for yourself. Don't say what she said is right. And then you're going to say she never articulate herself well.
Exactly.
Stop that, Tifa. Stop it. No, Tifa, that's not right. That's not right, Tifa. You see, you just contradict yourself.
You just want to contradict yourself. You just want to win this thing. And I've been saying the same thing from the
like dog.
Yeah, man.
But I understand where she's coming from. If the man now make an effort to see her, but every minute I be a body picture, you wake up body and back in your face.
A different body picture. She never said that.
I'm just saying because she alluded to sex. No. She alluded to the fact that
No.
She did allude to sex. She talked about sex. So we're not
no. You're assuming what the woman wanted to say. You assume what she
was saying.
She did not mention sex.
And then you come and cry.
All right, Tifa.
What she said.
Hold on. For the people in the life, we are listening to Tifa and things say me and Birch now no sense and we are mean man and we are yammed and we are idiot. Tifa is taking the woman message and I assume.
No, it's not.
Hold on. Let me play the video.
She did talk about sex.
Play it again.
Tifa, you're not going to do this to me. You're
not going to do this to me. You lose.
Play it again. Listen.
If a man have been talking to you for the past 7 days, and every morning he get up, and he say, good morning, beautiful. Have a good day today. And he's talking to you throughout the day, and he haven't arranged a dinner date, lunch date, breakfast date.
Literal.
Take you anywhere, block him. Block that man and spare yourself. Because when you don't block him and you allow him to wear you down, he's going to treat you mediocre because you are. You allowed it.
How?
Yes, you did.
How?
Don't come on my page and say, hey, Kim, how can I get this man to spend on me and make me feel special? Baby girl, if he didn't make you feel special before you get the cookie, do you think he's going to make you feel special after you bang the cookie?
Cookie sex.
Yo, let's have a next point. Let's have a next point.
Herself the right way, but she's talking about sex.
Give me a chance, Tifa. You alone can't talk. The next point that I get from this Birch is, you hear what she said? If don't call me and ask me why is he not spending on me. Spending on me.
Yes.
So the first thing was food. The second thing is money being spent on you. So what is your ammo? What is your aim?
Thank you. So the sex is mentioned here.
This don't have nothing to do about if the man is interested or not. This is about you want
money
to
she
go for
want.
dinner, lunch, and breakfast. This is about you want money from the man.
I did not hear that audio. I thought it was a conversation between all of you guys.
No, it was the audio.
Oh, God! Oh, God! Tifa, don't run. Hold on, Tifa, where you go? My girl, what's your name again? What's your name, friend?
Janelle.
So, Janelle, do you agree with her now after you hear this?
No, I thought it was a conversation between all of you guys.
Thank you very much. So that's what you're talking about, Birch. Tifa, appear the narrative.
To me, that's effort. He's telling me good morning, beautiful. He's texting me out the day. He's buying me something to eat, lunch, dinner. Like, that's an effort. So when we do see each other, then it could be more than what it is. Maybe I do decide to give him the pum-pum or not. So, like, it's natural. It's something will happen naturally. Listening to the audio, she sounds like an angry black woman if she's black.
Yeah, she's angry. She's a damaged goods. Exactly. That's what I said. She's a mad woman.
But
thank you very much.
I thought it was just a conversation between all of you guys. That's what I thought.
No, that was the genesis of the conversation.
Within
that was
the
it.
7 days, and he's telling me good morning, beautiful, every day, and we have a conversation throughout the day. Like, I don't see nothing wrong with that.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Simple as that.
Thank you very much. That's all I want you to hear. You see, that's the and people, this is where we are talking about. We're having a conversation. Me and Birch, we are stick to the script.
Let's see straight to the script. We're not
Tifa is assuming that this is what the lady meant.
No, Tifa is going. I think of that because she talked about her day.
No, she said something about draining. So I don't understand what that means. Draining could be like you just calling my phone conversation is whack, or it could be sexual. So I'm thinking Tifa thinking that it could be sexual, the draining part. So it could that part could be many things.
The lady when named Lady MBK. Everybody who don't agree with Tifa, you have something to say. How about you come and send me a request and tell us what's your thought on this? Because obviously, the whole of we are human being, everybody have their own opinion. But the conversation from what you heard, Ali say your name, right?
No,
from Janelle, sorry. From the conversation you heard, did you hear anything at all about this man asked the female for any sex in that conversation?
No, she said he texts her every day and throughout the day, offer lunch and dinner, breakfast, I think.
No, he said good morning, good afternoon, every day, how is your day? And he never yet asked you on a date for lunch, breakfast, or dinner. You should block him within 7 days.
No, lunch or dinner doesn't matter to me. I don't know about anybody else, but I can see my own damn self.
And then
that's what I said to you. That's what I said. This you have some lady out there. They are serial daters. That's a red flag from a woman that go on and just date for lunch and dinner. That's their style.
How am I gonna drain somebody within 7 days? I don't know you.
I don't understand it. I still don't get it.
I don't know you.
You know why? We shouldn't give her so much oxygen.
In 7 days with their problem.
Huh?
With their problem.
But the man have no problem.
What problem? You see, that's the thing,
But we don't exactly know the conversation that was happening in between that. So it can be drainful at times, knowing that you wanting to see this person or something like that. It depends on the situation.
And I said that earlier. I said, why we can't have a conversation for the 7 days so we can get to know who me I deal with. Why I have to tell you, yo, let's go on a date. Why me can't call you? Always your date.
She's just emphasizing on the date, the dinner, the lunch. she's emphasizing on that. Why she, okay, all right, since you want to talk about, why she couldn't just meet at a park and talk? Why she never said, she keeps saying lunch, breakfast, dinner.
A whole heap of red flag.
That's a red flag, man. That's a damaged person. It's a serial date. I just want to go on food. It's a foodie date you want.
It's like, I feel like the woman them, especially the lady they right, they saying the thing, who not take parts out of it and not say what you want to say. Because first of all, it don't make no sense. Because you can't say, if me I talk to you for 7 days, I'm going to offer you no lunch, breakfast, or dinner, you have to block me. Then you go ahead and say, don't call me and ask me, oh, why the man not give no money. Then you go back then and say, then you have the man lay up in your bed or whatever. So, your decision that as a woman, if you not get a date within the 7 days then, all right, say 7 days, how did it skip from me not getting a date within 7 days to you having me up, laying up in your bed, in your house? So whose fault is that?
Crazy.
So that means
First of all,
me still not get to know you.
Have a time. I didn't know they didn't have a time because dating could last for 2 years.
That's what we're saying.
Yo, I feel like this is a fake page, yo. But the person here just come like them just dip on my bum buckler case. I'm gonna block you, cause you need a block, so I just block you still. Yeah, thank you very much. Have a nice day. We're further away.
I didn't know they didn't have a time, and for us to date or to know that this is the person that we want to be with, we have to date in order for us to know what we want and what we don't want.
Yeah.
If it's 7 days, you have people that marry within a week.
Yo, but me and a girl can't have sex. Me and a girl can't have sex the second or third day, and we going strong. We have all kids together. We can do them something there. I see that shit happen all the time. I see people meet each other, things happen between them, and them still there together right now, married, everything. Yeah. So who is you for go so boom and judge? You see, the thing what Shelly said earlier, that she said, oh, a man this and a man that, and him ask me, Ray, yo, cut him off within 3 days, where that gone? But how you can't say stuff like that, because at the end of the day, you don't know what type of person I am, because you might go so and run me, Zine, and you say, you not deal with me because I'm not do whatever me do in a 7 days. Zine, you move me up. Me probably was the real one. And then the dude, you take up and say, yeah, go up on a date within the 3rd day. His intention was probably worse than mine. You understand me, I said, Birch?
Exactly.
And then him give you what you want, you run go give him the cookie.
To me, it sounds like
so the only thing you get out of the money are 2 dinner date.
To me, it sounds like
will probably cost about $300.
Relationship, and you know, some women are hurt off their past relationship and bring it into their
she's damaged.
So
that's what I said.
Maybe that could be the reason. But we as females, sometimes we put our guards up because some females, I'm not gonna say all, we put our guards up because we were hurt really bad by whoever hurt us in the previous relationship. So maybe that's what she's speaking off of, and you know, you just got some. You ever watch the movie with LL Cool J and what's her name, Gabrielle Union, where no man wanted to be with her because she was fucked up in her last her last relationship. So no man wanted to be with her. So you have females are like that bring their last relationship into their previous relationship, and then they can't. It won't work out. At the end of the day, you want to give that person a chance to prove themselves to you to see whether this could continue or not. So
exactly.
She's speaking probably off of anger and off her previous relationship.
Yes.
But that's how some females are. And then
she has a clock. She has an internal clock.
You can't even blame her because the shit that men do, or some men do, to women. So you can't blame her for that, for feeling that way, or setting her standards for 7 days. At the end of the day, that's her standard. Now, for me, if that was me in that predicament, conversation would have kept happening. We could have we could have built from there. That's just my
Yeah.
Well, me don't know, you know. All me I said, me and Birch stick to the script. While
It's that
Tifa try
simple.
to make us look bad.
It's
I
not
think
that
it's a healthy
complicated.
conversation that we should all have with men and women because we don't have conversation like this. And then secondly, we don't understand how men think sometimes. So this is healthy conversation, I believe.
We're a logical being. We just think we're simple.
Or anything like that.
Yeah, we're logical. We don't go around the corner and just
So
you cannot program something like that.
yeah.
Okay, big
Good
up yourself, my
conversation,
friend.
though.
Good
Bless
night.
up.
Thank you.
Bless up.
Yeah, man.
Why, me I tell us a Birch.
Still search, cross, angry, miser, youth. Where are the youth?
But I tell her like, yo, and you we never there. And I hold it up, man. Tifa would have rub you out, but she had to. Because here what Tifa tried to figure
How
out.
wicked, boy. Yeah.
That's the part where she say, oh, you just want to on the phone and talk about pum pum and you want pum pum picture and them something there. Nobody talking about that. That's a different situation. Me not go there, so I agree with something like that. And I say, yo, as me meet him, I gotta tell her to send
She's
this
assuming that the lady's talking about that.
Yeah.
That's what she, yeah.
You understand? So
yeah.
that's the thing. And females, if you have daughters, grow your daughter right. Don't tell your daughter no fuckery. Me I tell you no that straight because I feel like some of them suck me up on Instagram. Because sometimes no for them people up on Instagram, them give advice, you know, and them single, you know. Them not perfect, you know. You can't give me advice about relationship if you're a relationship. If you give me relationship advice, make sure so you tell me how your relationship are going. Zine, no give me no advice, no come on Instagram and tell me about this is what it's supposed to be. Move your bum buckle out and go. So you're single. If you know what is a perfect man or how perfect a man should be, or you know go they go find a perfect man there. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Me no like them something, brother. Stop come on Instagram, but ladies, let me tell you this. If a man talk to you every day on the phone for 7 days and telling you good morning and rest, so warm to that, that's a great thing. If I could wake up every morning and tell you good morning, beautiful. You know how nice that is. That's a big compliment, you know. You know how much a woman no man not tell you no sound beautiful at the time?
Yeah, no, she wants something else. She wants something else.
You know how much a woman no man now look down when you wake up and I say, damn baby, you're so beautiful. I love you. You live with a man for 20 million years and some of the man still not telling them something there. Because them feel like say, yo, we reach a part now where we don't need to do this and we don't need to do that. So when you find a man where I show the interest there and thing and I tell you that, if the man I tell you this every morning, every day you leave work, how was your day today at work? It was great. Okay, all right. You want to talk about it if it was bad? If she said bad, all right, you have somebody you can talk to and you know, maybe I could put a smile on your face. You know how far that can lead something or a relationship?
True. Simple things.
So
you're right.
When you are going to get up on your base interest on a date,
that's the emphasis, right?
You're telling me, you know, if I don't ask you out on a date within 7 days.
7 days, right.
That means
you're going to block the
good
person.
Man. Eh?
That means you're going to block the person within 7 days.
That means you're going to block me because I am draining you.
Stupid. Yeah, that's stupid. Yes.
That's stupidness. And no found woman for the life who not agree with fuckery like them. I'm sorry for curse, man, but sometimes that's why I don't come on Instagram no more like that. You know? I keep it real with the people. I don't come on live no more because una hypocrite. Instagram have the most hypocritical people them. Una agree with this side right now, and when somebody else come talk something with me and Birch, just attack, you agree with that person, but you don't agree with me and Birch. Because I guess Birch and me I say too harsh.
Yeah,
we see this happen all the while. Me there and me will say something. And the whole of beat me. Then Birch come on. say the same thing when me just say in a different way. Oh, Birch, you're so intelligent, you're so smart, you're this, you're that. Zin, una hypocrite. How to make some look up big fool woman that come tell about say, you must block a man if him not take you on a date, and then she go ahead and say, him a go drain you. If you can make a man where you just meet within 7 days, drain you, when you have real life situation for drain you, you have mortgage, you have rent, you have car note, you have 3 hungry belly picnic, you have groceries when not cheap. If none of that not drain you, our man for drain you within 7 days, and you not give me a vagina yet. No, make me talk truth, Birch. Honestly, that's madness. And the whole of the woman them there, you not say nothing now, because you know say a true me attack. Oh, me forget up and make a girl drain me within 7 days. A girl not ask me out on a date, me for drain. All right, so let's be realistic then. A girl says she not give me a pum pum within 7 days. Me feel over here and drain? I know that girl drain me with a good hole, you know. Worse if I'm money. Yeah. When me have my mortgage them for pay now, and me have my bills them for pay. Me feel over here so I make one girl drain me. Oh!
Dad, yo, me don't know.
No, it not burn me, it not burn me. Me attack. Listen, let me tell you something, people. You see, when it's come to certain conversation, this is where you have to realize and understand. You see, when you have kids, and you have daughters, and you have son, when a conversation come up where it pertaining to your son, or in his future, or whatever, not because he's young, it's still a thing where them are grow up and them are hear things. So you have to be passionate and emotional when you talk about them things. I don't want my daughter them to go up on Instagram and see the big idiot woman there. Sorry to say that, but she dumb, she fool. No, you can't tell people that.
As I said to you, she sounds like a very damaged person.
Listen.
Actually, I'm telling you, she don't sound 100.
You mention food. You mention spending money for you. You mention all these things. Why you never mention, say, ladies, if you meet a man and all him do when him come on your phone, this is what she was supposed to say. Ladies, if you meet a man, you give me a number, and all him on the phone every time you talk, a sex him talk about. Him never offer you to take you on a date yet. Him always want you come to him house. Him always want to invite you in a one close-up place. You should block him. That man mean you're no good.
No good. Right. True.
That's exactly what the woman's supposed to say out or clean out.
Yes.
If you're talking to a man, you give him your phone number. From you give him your number till now, all him talk about is sex.
Yeah, man. Run the man.
He might ask if you come over him house. He might ask if you do this. He might ask if you do that. And you don't want to show up. So you say if you go over him house or whatever, and him want to have sex with you, yes, you don't set yourself in a position to drain yourself because you make the man use you from jump and never want to spend the money for you by taking it for a date. Then that's where the money and the food could come in. That's where the money and food should come in. This man you all him want to talk about as sex. See? So, why she never said that? Why she never said that, Birch?
Because that's not what the conversation was.
That's not what the conversation was. But then Tifa is trying to assume that.
Yeah, assumption. She's trying to use assumption to justify.
This is what. So, Tifa, why you never assume that the woman should say this way that I just said it just now? Yeah. See? And then she gonna make me and Birch look stupid because this is what Instagram does. Make people talk when they want to hear.
1 second.
We look stupid. See? So, Kida, I just see a shrimp. Big up a shrimp. Then, people, wise up. Wise up. If you hear me say something, if you can learn from it, you learn from it. If you hear somebody say something and you know say a foolishness, them I say, but you just want to look good as a female or a male, look into it. Don't just come put your opinion in and I say, yo, a true man, I saw it for go. Ray. You see me, I say, people, wise up on yourself, man, because at the end of the day, we have kids. You understand? Yes, Tifa, my friend, but she be a typical woman. And just a talk, whatever she feel like she want to talk for different woman and pick up for woman, but that's foolishness because a lot of time we there and we are trying to pick up for woman, we are trying to pick up for man, and when you check it out, we not teach the youths them nothing because we are lead the youths them, but right is right and wrong is wrong. You can't come out and come tell no woman about females if a man take up him phone and every man in him depend, good morning, beautiful, how was your day? He's not interested in you. Lady MBK, I just think that you're listening, but you're not listening. What do you mean by but you not understanding that you must spend quality time with somebody who you are interested in? What are you talking about? Who are you to me within 7 days? Who is you to me in 7 days? You tell me, say, if me interested in you, me have to use my time and spend it with you within 7 days. So, let me understand, because you keep on typing, but me still not understand where you try to get at, because me see you try to get your point across, but it's just not, it not match up to nothing, because you're telling me have to spend time with somebody who I'm interested with. In 7 days, Raz, you understand what you say, brother? Why? Why am I supposed to spend time with somebody whom I just meet in 7 days? Why me have to spend time with you? What if I am busy? What do you mean, why would I take a woman number? Me take your number so me can get to know you. That no means that I have to take you out within a week. What are you saying? What do you mean, why me take somebody number? Me take your number so me can call you and get to know you. That doesn't mean I am going to see you within a week. Stop typing if you don't understand what you're saying. Because it don't make no sense what you say. Nobody not agree with you. Tifa done over here and tell be a liar. Nobody not agree after. If me angel. Me young. That's a type, yeah, man. Everything good, Lady MBK. I feel like say you just a type for just hear what me have to say. I feel like you just a type. I feel like you're a type for hear my response still. So I just leave it alone. I leave it alone. Me not see. You have people where they took blood clot together for 15 years and not spend time with each other. So I don't know who is you for come tell me about say me for spend time with a woman when me just meet today. And within 7 days me have to spend time with her. So I don't know. I don't know. What you talk about. Like, yeah. I'll leave it alone because it not make no sense. No, you see, you're saying I don't think it's literally 7 days, but We're going off of what the lady said. See? Nobody said we're not going to go up on a date with the girl. So if you just reach, the conversation is not about if you're going to go on a date or if you're not going to go on a date. The conversation is if you talk to a man within 7 days and in asks you upon a date within the 7 days, block him. And you females on the live are going to tell me, say, I don't agree with that. If a man asks you upon a date, a lunch, dinner, or breakfast date, block him. I don't agree with that. Lioness Pandera or your name. I don't have to make no plans with you within 7 days. And don't ask me if I would have sex with her in 7 days. Don't ask me that either. Me don't want nobody ask me no if we would have sex within 7 days. When we have conversation, you must know what kind of conversation you have. So whatever happened within the conversation there, okay. May I talk on the phone, the conversation, you give me mixed signal and me say, yo, you want to talk about certain things? Then all right. If you're going to give me it within the 7 days, okay. Nothing wrong. And so the conversation did go. You see me? So, yeah. And that's why no for want to get in a problem to cause I love jumping at things. I see them so no for want to come out of one relationship and just jump in our next relationship. Quick. No planning, nothing. No get to know the person. Then you no wonder why man fuck you over. And then the new thing where you start now, it not work out because no communication. You never get to know the person. You know, you not talk on the phone a couple hours. Well, you not talk for y'all every day to see if he's a gentleman or, you know, to try to feel him out if him fake or if him real. You see me? So, yeah. What you mean? Is it better to know the person in person? In person? Why we gotta know each other in person? If I saw the universe set up, I saw the universe set up. Me not have to see you.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, deal it, brother. Cause me have all 6% on the laptop, something, you know. So talk to me, boss.
No, me there drive. See, yeah, me not even a cent here long. I one little thing more I say. You see the problem, not for them girl, yeah, not for them woman, yeah. Them I take advice from women who have been hurt.
Yeah.
Zine, them I take advice from them about how men think. And them now want to listen to men.
True.
About how men think. So them I go listen to this girl and now Tifa. I tell them say if a man not do that in a 7 days, not ask you out in a 7 days, that means I'm not interested. And up on the live, I tell them say man still can be interested even if him not ask you out on a date in 7 days. Him still can be interested. And them now want to hear that. Them now want to hear from the man them. Them want to take advice from woman who have been hurt. It don't make no sense. You hear me?
Yeah, that makes so much sense just now, dog. Like, you are hearing from a man. You hear from
two man. Two man them on the phone. Good sensible man.
Already, and whatever. And you know I hear from we. You see all I stay?
You gotta listen to other woman now. I tell you, say a man not interested. If him not asking within 7 days, if him not ask you out, that means I'm not interested. Oh, you gotta listen to a woman. I tell you that. That don't make no sense. Yo, you see the real gal is them. At the first day, them ask you out on a date. You see the man them will really check for you. Them are going careful. Them want make sure say them do everything right. So them are gonna take them time. Them not necessarily must have to rush within 7 days and do this and I try to do that. Man are really interested.
Say it again. The woman never sit down in the back of the church. Because them not hearing him. The man never a gallus. I rush.
I do that within the first date. Within the first day, I carry you out and I try impress you. I spend the money where you want him spend and I take you and I do all the thing them. Because all in a film brain, I forget now your crutches by the second day or even the first day too.
Yeah, come here, going to impress you. You want to get impressed, take impress.
The man was really serious, boy. Him going to take him time. Because one, him no want you feel like say him a rush. Him no want offend you. Him want take him time and him going to wake up every morning and say I'm beautiful and whatever. Him, you know, take him time.
Yeah.
See, but here with the problem. Now for them woman here, them are going to end up black them dream husband. Them are going to end up black them dream because them don't want to listen to men and hear how man steer. Yeah, ladies, you have to hear from men how men steer. You can't listen to other women to tell you how men steer.
People,
or how men think.
Raz, go and talk, but people, if the live cut off or the battery dead, the something plug it in, go but look like it now charge. Yeah, go and talk.
But me I tell you, me I pull in away, me I go right now in like a minute, so me I forgot hang up right now. But I just that me do want to say still, ladies, listen to men who no classify as good men. Take advice from them on how good men are. Don't listen to other women who've been hurt because them only can speak from their experience, which, and everybody been hurt. Like women always make it sound like say, and them alone get hurt. Both men and women been hurt in a relationship.
Mm-hmm.
So human beings, all of we go through it. So like when I like hear when women talk like say them alone get hurt in a life.
Mm-hmm.
And oh my God, them go through it. Man go through it too. Even hear some things a woman do man.
Mm-hmm.
So all of we go through it, but it not necessarily means that every man stays so. The experience them where you go through, ladies, and not every man stays so. Just like how me know say